my god, duh. Okay. You're probably like, what the fuck does she have? It has a knife. Normally, I save all shit for my haul and unboxing videos. I've been trying to just do those on Ipsy filming days. But anyway, when you get freaking Jeffree Star in the mail, ain't nobody got time for that. I'm so excited! So, it's February, and I got the, like, mystery box, whatever. It was the Valentine's Day release, and I also got this little bag. Oh my fucking god, okay. Oh my god, look at it, it's so cute! Oh, there's like a little net thing in there. The other thing I got was the mystery box. You need to see this fucking tissue paper. Suck me not. Bitch! My first ever mystery box. Like, a box within a box! Oh, it's him and Shane. Mystery box. The gloss. 2 finishes, glitter, fantasy, and extreme shine, juicy, delicious, iconic in its own way over any lipstick. Succulent. Not really a glossy person, but it's fine. I'm not a glossy person, but this is bougie as fuck. Look at it, little nipple, little boner nipple thing. That was sexual. Oh, it tastes like cake. I like cake. Oh, well, I guess that's the difference between like a good gloss and like dollar store glosses. Oh my god! I got a Jeffree Star hat! This is Jeffree Star. God! And I got a pop socket! This is Jeffree Star! I don't know why I'm fangirling so bad. Has the alien wrapping. Shut the fuck up. Oh my god, I did not think I was gonna. This looks so much better in person than it does online. Not like it looks bad online, but I just wasn't drawn to it. I was like, oh, it's pretty, but it's not like, oh, I'm gonna buy it right now. It looks like it turned out right. God, I'm so excited. I can't believe it. So, oh my god, a hat. Holy shit. And I just made a mess. Anyway, I feel like I'm on crack. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're here with another beauty haul and unboxing. I literally only have a few products because we're still in quarantine. This was actually supposed to go with last month's, but it was sitting for whatever reason. This was like separated from last month's stuff, so I've really been anxious to use this. I got a twin pack of the Aveeno Positively Smooth Shave Gel. As you know, I try to get different types of shave gel for sensitive skin and stuff like that just because I'm bumpy. And then I got a Tresemme full body all day shampoo and conditioner. It's not my normal like huge 40 ounce whatever. These are like 28. It is what it is. Haven't been able to get to Sam's Club. I want to make a special shout out to Jessica because I got really excited when I was at Wegmans because I saw all this Andalou Natural stuff. So I actually purchased the 1000 Roses Floral Toner, which if we go back to like my first videos that I've done, like my very first Get Ready With Me, which is a 2-parter, I'll link that down below, but I totally used this stuff. Oh my god. I'm just so I gotta try it out now. I've missed this in my life so much. Anyway, so I have this on backup for when my Mario Badescu goes out. Alright, so I have a couple foundations just because I'm looking over at my foundations and I'm like, when I'm doing my like everyday, like cause lately I've been doing like time-lapse videos, I'm like, I don't want to use my fucking Urban Decay, like if I'm not going anywhere. So, and I'm just like, I'm running low on other foundations. So I picked up the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, which I think I have used this before, so I'm probably just gonna throw that right into the rotation. But this will be in a first impressions video. I'm actually due to film one of those. I haven't filmed one since January. I'm gonna be planning on doing that probably in like a few days or something, I don't know. But you won't see it for a while, but that's besides the point. But anyway, the NYX Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation. I'm wondering if this might be a nice summer foundation too. We'll see. But anyway, so yeah, expect that to be in a first impressions. Just stay tuned for the 3 looks, 1 palette series. If you've seen anything that I've posted on like Facebook or Instagram or whatever, you know that it's coming at some point. Yeah. I think that's all I got. Told you it was just a few things, but yeah, and watch, I'm gonna go shopping this week and then we're gonna have like an overall. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and until the next one.